Hi, welcome back to Shitoku Tech. This is as cool as it gets. Streaming video to the TTGO T-Display from an ESP32 cam over Wi-Fi. Let's do this. Hats off to 0015 on GitHub for their ThatProject repository. I stumbled across another channel's YouTube video that referred to ThatProject's YouTube video. So you might ask, Shitoku Tech, why make a video about someone else's video about someone else's video? Well, I try to bring the most value to my viewers in the most concise manner to get things done. In my video, I'm going to show you how to do this project end to end. Let's make sure we have all the prerequisite libraries installed. Arduino WebSockets. Let's install this one. There we go. Installed. Wi-Fi? I'm pretty certain we have this one already. JPEG decoder? Wow, another Bodmer library. Good on you. Let's install this one. There we go. It's installed. TFT ESPI. You know, this is a long story here. If you recall my ILI 9341 and ESP32 video, I renamed the TTGO T-Display version of the TFT ESPI library and then installed the Bodmer version to get things working. Now, I'm renaming the TFT ESPI library folders back to get the TTGO version. You can go to the Lilygo TTGO T-Display repository on GitHub to get this TFT ESPI. You can see that in this video that I made here. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but producing 2 videos a week, different odd gadgets, one from the next, I'm a bit crunched for time. Let's test by uploading this T-Display GIF program. All good. Finally, button 2 is the last requisite library. Yes, the latest version of the library is already there. Let's download the zip file of the entire ThatProject repository. Look for the links in the description below. There's tons of stuff here. Again, hats off to 0015. Give them your support. In the zip file, look for the folders named ESP32 CAM WebSocket Client and ESP32 CAM Wi-Fi Direct, and copy these 2 sketch folders to your Arduino folder. To state this in the simplest terms, ESP32 CAM Wi-Fi Direct runs on the TTGO T-Display. It creates a Wi-Fi access point for the ESP32 CAM WebSocket client running on the ESP32 CAM to connect to. The ESP32 CAM WebSocket client then transmits images to the TTGO T-Display. I'm wiring this 5-volt FTDI board to the ESP32 CAM. First, make sure the voltage selector jumper on the FTDI board is set to 5 volts if you have this jumper. Now 5 volts on the FTDI to the 5-volt pin on the ESP32 CAM. Ground goes to ground. TX on the FTDI goes to RX on the ESP32 CAM. RX goes to TX. While you are uploading, you need to ground pin 0 on the ESP32 CAM. Now we can upload this ESP32 CAM WebSocket client sketch to the AI Thinker ESP32 CAM. The camera model AI Thinker is already uncommented. You can select a different board model by swapping commented and uncommented lines if needed. Under Tools, Boards, I'm selecting the AI Thinker module and the correct serial or COM port in the Arduino IDE. Upload. Done. Remove pin 0 from ground. Press the reset button on the ESP32 cam. Let's open the serial monitor. The dots just mean the camera is waiting to connect to the TTGO T-Display. So we need to upload this ESP32 cam Wi-Fi direct sketch to the TTGO T-Display. You don't need to modify anything in this program. Under Tools, Boards, I'm selecting the ESP32 dev module on the correct serial or COM port in the Arduino IDE. Let's upload the ESP32 cam Wi-Fi direct sketch to the TTGO T-Display. Wow, this is amazing. Look at this. Amazing. This is the kind of TTGO T-Display goodness that gets me excited. You can even use the buttons on the T-Display to scroll outside the display margins. This is a super cool project. Thanks again to 0015 ThatProject for these awesome sketches. If you enjoy my TTGO T-Display adventures, keep commenting and liking and subscribing for more. Thank you very much.